In this video, we will show you how to fix the problem of not being able to delete partitions when installing a new Windows operating system. As you can see, this partition on disk 0 cannot be deleted to create unallocated space for installing Windows. The delete partition option is grayed out, and I cannot continue with the installation. To fix this, let's press Shift plus F10. If you are using a laptop, press Fn plus Shift plus F10 to open a command prompt window. Press Alt plus Tab to switch to this window. Now, type Diskpart and press Enter to launch the Diskpart tool. Get the list of disks. Next, select the disk by its number. You can identify the disk by its size. For example, I will install Windows on disk 0. Once the disk is selected, run the clean command to erase the disk. This process will delete all data on the selected disk. Please back up any important data before continuing. Be careful when selecting the disk. Choosing the wrong one can cause data loss. Please check the disk label, capacity, or type to confirm you have the correct one. Once done, you can close the command prompt and go back to the Windows installation. Click on the Refresh option. As you can see, we now have unallocated space and can continue with the Windows installation without any problems. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.